Healthy smoothies for weight loss, my favorite breakfast smoothie that I use to start off my day right. So what we're first going to use is a quick prime protein, which I will link down in the description link below. They are having a 30% off sale on their complete collagen and their prime protein powder. You will need both to make this awesome smoothie that's jam-packed full of nutrients that will keep you super full, that has collagen in it, that has high protein in it. It's actually made out of grass-fed beef, but you can't taste that. It actually tastes like chocolate or vanilla. So we're going to go ahead and take 1 cup of our unsweetened almond milk, pour it into our blender. Then we're going to go ahead and take 1 scoop of our quick prime protein and 1 scoop of our complete collagen. Again, this is what's going to make us full. Go ahead and put 2 cups of organic spinach in there. This will make it for a great green smoothie and keep you super full. Then I'm going to use a really high quality vanilla extract, just literally a splash of it. Boop, just put a splash of that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and mix all of these things together. The 1 cup of the unsweetened almond milk, the spinach, the protein, and the collagen mix, so it's really well blended before we put any of our fruit into our smoothie. So when making a smoothie, I like to pre-blend it to make sure there's no chunks or random pieces in there, that it's really blended well together to taste somewhat like a milkshake in there. So get that all mixed together. And then next, what we're going to go ahead and do is I use organic frozen fruit as my ice cubes. So literally you could make a mango smoothie, a banana smoothie, a strawberry smoothie. If you're doing a low carb diet, the lowest carbs ones are strawberries and blackberries. But for this example, I have mango. So I'm going to make a mango smoothie. I literally use a half a cup to a full cup of frozen organic fruit. And then I'm going to go ahead and take, the big strawberries, plop those in there as well. You could, again, easily add in pomegranate. You could add in any type of frozen fruit that you like, blend it together, boom, that is your breakfast smoothie. That is your healthy smoothie to help lose weight. Literally with this, I am full for a good part of the morning when I have it as my breakfast smoothie, or I have it at lunchtime around like 3 o'clock after I've had lunch and I want something super sweet. This cures it and keeps me really, really full without eating 10 million different things. So if you want to get your 30% off of the Quick Prime Protein or their complete collagen, I will link that down in the description link below. Make sure you smash the like button and click subscribe.